was Dolphin Dance by Herbie Hancock. Next up, we're going to play through it again with a count in, and you'll get to see the tablature, standard notation, and the Guitar Pro neck diagram. After that, we'll have a step-by-step with close-ups of the guitar neck and the tablature. Please help these videos reach a wider audience by liking, subscribing, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss future videos. Most importantly, please leave a comment and let me know how you're doing on this tune. Well, let's get started with the count-in. Next up, we'll work on the step-by-step. Go through this part, pause it in any area you need to work on, and then go back and see if you can work with the play-along. This process may take some time. We're starting here in position 8. We'll play like this. Okay, and then we're going to play that same thing. Okay, so here we're in position 6. Be sure to cut off the F note here, 6th fret 2nd string, for the rest that follows. And then as an optional thing, which is something that I did in the recording, is I'm sliding in to the D from just a fret below. Now we'll stay in position 6. Okay, and then we're going to move down position 5, and then we're going to go into fret 4. So here we're in position 4, fret 4, we're going to play that note. And then we have fret 7. Okay, so here we're going to play like this. To simplify it, you might try position 6 and use finger 2 to start with. We're going to go to position 8, play like this. Okay, and then we're going to play in position 8 still. We'll move to position 10. And then we'll move to position 7. And then we're going to move down a position to fret 6. So try to keep these nice and legato. We'll stay in position 6. Remember to cut off on beat 3, and we have a short tone on string 3 fret 7, where you could also slide. Okay, and then I'm likely staying in position 6, but to make this a little easier for position playing, you might try it with position 5. working up like that. Now we're going to play position 5. Now I'm playing 5 and then tapping on fret 8 on string 2. Essentially pretty much ghosting that tone to some extent. And then we're going to play very similar technique here, working towards consistency on the lines. And then we're going to play that same kind of thing, tapping. I'm plucking here for the example, but in the video I'm tapping. 7. And then we're going to stretch up for fret 12. And then we're going to go to fret 13. I'm likely using my 4th finger for all those tones. So 13 and then 14. And you can do a little slide into it. Okay, I think in the video I may have slid into a few of these notes, so. Okay, and then we're going to play these short duration. Okay, and then we're going to go into fret 11. Okay, and then we're going to go into fret 7 here. I'm using fingers 3 and 4. This next part is not necessarily a part of the melody, so I have this notated as a background start and end. This is loosely based on some of the material that Herbie Hancock plays in the background, and I've taken it an octave lower. So this is an optional part that you may want to include. So we play 4 like that, and then we're going to basically take the durations in half and do that again. Okay, and then we're going to go to position 6. Okay, so you may play these a little bit lighter so they feel like backgrounds. Okay, and then we come into position 8. On the first string, and then we're going to play position 8 on the second string. Well, there we have it. Thanks for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and share. Also leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing on the tune, which parts are difficult, which parts are easier. Have a great practice session.